For each of these equations, m is just the coefficient in front of the term with an x to the first. So in the first equation, y equals 100 plus 50x, m is just 50. There are two little potentially tricky spots here. Since in the second to last equation we have y equals 12 minus 3x, m is equal to negative 3. Since you'll recall that in the form of the equation, the general form, we have y equals mx and no sign in front of the m, so we need to include the sign as part of the coefficient. The second potentially tricky thing is for the equation y equals 5. We don't have a term here with an x. What that really means is that we have the term plus 0x added on to the end of this. Clearly, 0x is just equal to 0, but writing this lets us see that m, the slope here, is actually equal to 0. This actually makes sense, since y equals 5 is just a horizontal line whose slope is 0. Moving on to our values of b, these are just the constant terms on the right side of each of these equations. Negative signs need to be included as part of the b term, and in the equation y equals 5x, since we don't explicitly see a constant term added out here, b must be equal to 0. Having this information written out explicitly like this makes writing the equations in y equals mx plus b form pretty simple. Hopefully now you feel very confident that all of these equations can be written in this precise form.